Okay, so for our lab 4, we were asked to build the encoder, the rc5 encoder decoder using the finite state machine model. So here's my finite state machine drawing, similar, to what we saw in the lecture. Same logic used. The difference is that I just drew the clears back to the idle state from each of the other states. Yeah, so I'm just going to jump into FPGA implementation here. We'll be doing the encoder. I'll be showing you one of my test inputs. So in this case, this test input 5432 repeated 4 more times, right? So the way, let me quickly program the FPGA board. Yeah. Alright, completed. So our 7-segment display, which will show the bits. We set each of the switches. I'm just doing a repeated one because it makes it easier, but you actually push the button 4 times here, the center one, and it will input them 16 bits at a time. So we could do it for any input we wanted, regardless of the pattern. And I have these LEDs telling us what round of inputting or pushing this button to get the inputs in we're on. Okay, so I pushed it once. There's one push. Here we go. There's the second input, third input, and now on the 4th input, it's gonna go. I don't have a push button set up to do the clock, so it just calculates through, and now this one will allow us to toggle between the bits. So yep, first result D476 59E3. And we're gonna see here that that's correct. D476 59E3, right? Okay, now we switch which bits we're looking at. So we're gonna look at the second half. So 88A1 3FDA. So 88A1 3FDA. Yep. So it's working appropriately as expected. The only issue that I had was getting the clear button to work, just to be completely transparent. The clear button is not resetting the state so that I can easily go back and forth, but this illustrates at least that the basic implementation is done and that it does come out with the right input, and that I can put in any inputs that I want. You can see the position of the switches here to see that it's indeed. So we have our 5, we have our 4, 3, and then 2 here. So I just pushed it 4 times. So that's that. I'm not going to demo the decryption. It'll be the same. The code will be such that you could just plug in the decryption module, and it would work the same way as this one just did. And you'll see in the functional simulation that that is the case as well. Okay? Alright, thank you for watching.